गवर्नर को। हम कल भी मिले थे जगन्नाथ के प्रोग्राम में, तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि समय मिलने से एक बार आके बात भी करो, तो मैं गया था। आई मेट हिम एंड आई स्पोक टू हिम ऑन वेरियस सब्जेक्ट्स।
যেহেতু রাজ্যপালের সঙ্গে দেখা করছেন, কেন্দ্রীয় যে বিষয়টা আপনি যে গতকালকে বললেন সেই বিষয় নিয়ে কোনো আলোচনা হয়েছে?
जो भी हमारे बीच में और गवर्नर के बीच में हुआ है, मैं चाहता हूँ कि इट रिमेन्स बिटवीन अस। आई डोंट वांट टू कमेंट एनीथिंग बिफोर द मीडिया। ओनली आई कैन से इज दैट द गवर्नर हैज़ हर्ड माई व्यूज़ एंड आई हैव हर्ड हिज एडवाइस ऑल्सो very patiently, and let us see how things are going. But he was very nice, very kind, and he heard me. He also gave me some advice, which I think I should not be telling in the public domain.
Maharaj, earlier your MLAs and ministers had met the governor on issues like infiltration particularly. Has there been any discussion on that?
As I told you, many things have been discussed. I will tell whatever has to be told. But this is a private meeting and I don't think I should discuss this in the public domain. All I can say is not with the governor, but infiltration, illegal infiltration is a serious issue in Tripura, and the future of the state, the future of Northeast lies in the balance. And if we can not unite to stop illegal infiltration, then there will be huge injustice to our next generations who will be deprived of a better tomorrow. So this should be bigger than politics. All political parties should come together and stop illegal infiltration which is happening in Tripura, because it is going to affect Tripura, it's going to affect Northeast, and it's going to affect India also.
Sir, today the Chief Minister said you had some discussion with him yesterday.
Yes, I'm in regular touch with Chief Minister, and many things we discuss, and whatever is discussed between me and him is for the betterment of Tripura and not for anything else. So I spoke to him yesterday. If required, I'll speak to him today also. I am in regular conversation with the Chief Minister.
He said the things are in progress.
Yes, things are in progress, but we have to see the progress on the ground. And the Chief Minister knows the urgency, and I've told him what my views are, and he has heard me out patiently. I hope that things are put on action on ground.
The name of the town has been changed. Are you aware of it?
I am not aware of it, but whatever is it, I will talk to the Chief Minister and find out what it is. I am not aware of what has happened, but if it is, then I will talk to the Chief Minister and express my view.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.